Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 970 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen brightness or adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the menu, and to do that press and hold the up button. Once the menu opens, scroll through it and tap on the watch settings, then find the option called display and brightness and then tap on it, and here tap on brightness option. And now we can adjust the screen brightness by tapping on the plus and minus buttons. So adjust the brightness to your liking, and then you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And basically that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.